y'all, it's your girl Candace Lene, and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you and welcome back. So in this video today, guys, I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I package my order. These are all pickup orders today, so I don't have any real packaging to do. But yeah, first I want to start with cleaning the surface that I will be working on. So I have a little Clorox wipe that I'm using to wipe down my area. Next, I want to make sure that I'm putting on gloves, staying nice and sanitary, making sure that everyone's stuff is handled with care and it's clean. So first up, I have a 4-ounce moisture bundle that I need to package. Well, first I start with those bags, and this includes my leave-in conditioner, my scalp oil, and my hair moisturizer. So all that is included in my 4-ounce moisture bundle. As you guys can see, I already put my thank you card in there, and then I go ahead and make this look like a nice little gift. This is my way that I package pickup orders. I did have boxes at a point in time. Right now I'm just trying to get finances together so that I can order more boxes, but so for now I'm just using these gift bags. Y'all can watch me struggle with this for a second until I figure it out. Order is done. Next up, I have another 4-ounce, well, it's a 4-ounce leave-in conditioner is what I have. So I need to package that, and I'm just gonna pull out my baggie again. And I line that with tissue paper. And then I put the product in there. Next, I grab their packing slip, aka their receipt, and then my thank you card, and I put that in. And this is basically all I'll be doing this video. I have 5 orders that I need to package. The only one that will be different is when I get to the very end. So I'll let you guys watch this and then I'll be back. Oh, another thing I like to do is take these little stickers, which I got from Walmart, and I just print my logo on them. But I like to take these stickers to put the customer's name on there. Since I'll have a lot of bags sitting around, I need to make sure that I know whose is whose. So I just like to take those stickers and put the customer's name on there and stick it on that bag, so that when they come to pick up their order, I'm not struggling trying to figure out whose is whose. Now this is the order that is a little bit different. Right here I have a I have a customer that ordered a HD body wave frontal. So for my wigs, I actually do have boxes for those. So anything that has to do with hair or wigs, these are the boxes that I use for that. And so I'm just going to line it with tissue paper, and then I'll go ahead and put in the lace frontal. I have my thank you card in there, and for this specific order, I'm going to also throw in a business card because it seems as we may be getting real acquainted soon. So she's looking for more HD lace, and I have a vendor that she is interested in. So I'm just going to throw my business card in there so that we can always stay connected. And then I'm going to close that up. And these are my boxes. And this will complete this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.